Hello, honey.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Viên.
How old are you?
6 years old.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, today I'm very well. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Me too. Nice to meet you.
My you.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
My
To meet you too.
you.
Okay, today we have a test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the picture and answer me. Now, what animal is it?
The big dog.
What color the dog?
It not even loud.
Great job. What animal is it?
Here. It is a cow.
What animal is it?
It is a chicken.
Great job. What animal is it?
It is a cat.
Oh, is the cat happy or is the cat sad?
Big.
Happy. Yeah. Do you like the cat? Do you like the cat? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
What animal is it? What animal is it? Is it a duck or chicken?
It is a dog.
Great job. What animal is it? It is a bird.
It is a bird.
What animal is it? It is a sheep.
Sheep.
Great job. Now, what does the sheep have? What does the sheep have? The sheep has
4 legs.
and
2 legs.
2 ears,
2 ears.
2 eyes,
2 eyes.
1
Nose.
and
Mouth.
1 mouth. Okay, great job. Now, what animal is it? It is a rat. It is a
It is a
rabbit.
rabbit.
Okay, so what animal is it?
The big fin.
Pig. Is a pig sad? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is a pig sad or happy? Is a pig happy or sad?
Happy.
Yeah, okay. What animal is it? It is a goat.
Good.
It is a goat. Great job. Now can you read it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Animals on the farm.
Animals lie on the floor.
It's a farm.
It's a farm.
Many
Many
animals
animals
live on the farm.
live on the farm. It is a dog.
It is a brown dog.
It is a red dog. It is a red dog. It is a
Has
2 legs.
4 legs.
4 legs.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the brown dog has 4.
4 legs.
Yeah.
It is a chicken.
The yellow chicken.
Yellow chicken.
The yellow
The yellow
chicken
chicken.
has
2
2 legs.
legs.
What is animal is it?
It is
White rabbit.
white rabbit.
What the white rabbit have? The white rabbit has 4
4 legs.
and 2
2 legs.
ears.
Ears.
Okay. Viên. It is a black goat.
Black dog.
The black goat has want a wonderful.
Wonderful.
Okay, thank you พระเจ้าค่ะ Yes